Racing just is started. We have Jade and Diamond first to show quickness at the start, running by the rail through a count. Fair Heaven comes next. Ferrari Wanda, the sexy eyes in the middle portion, while Blue Dancer raced the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn. We have Jade and Diamond, followed closely by True Account in second. Fair Heaven is racing in third, and on the outside port comes Ferrari One, Sexy Eyes, while Blue Dancer still racing in last, but deep time by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have True Account takes command. Jade and Diamond in second. Ferrari One is racing in third outside, running by the rail. Fair Heaven, then next on line is Sexy Eyes, while Blue Dancer still racing in less inside the tres octavo. True Account by over the length. Then here comes Fair Heaven, now rushing up down on the inside. Ferrari One now moving up to take third. Driving back in fourth is Jade and Diamond, Blue Dancer and Sexy Eyes. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have True Account down on the inside is Fair Haven fighting out for the lead. That's 150 meters more to run. True Account, Fair Haven is down on the inside, but it's still True Account. Fair Haven is lifting down on the inside. True Account, Fair Haven, and finally it's True Account, Fair Haven. Then comes Ferrari Wanda, Blue Dancer, Sexy Eyes, and Jaden Diamond.
3-2-5-1. Datingan natin.